Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 20th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody can stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather, because that's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the tropics for the first part of the video. Take a look at any severe weather potential, and also we'll take a look at the GFS snowfall predictions over the next 16 days. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. If you know anybody want to join the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel, send them over my way. Love to have them as well. Tell them to hit that subscribe button also. Like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road there, folks. Alright, you can see we're taking a look at the Eastern Pacific, the Central and Western Tropical Atlantic, the Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. All clear in the Gulf of Mexico, except one little cluster down here right off the Mexican coast, a little bit in portions of the Northwestern Caribbean Sea, a bunch over South America, a little bit over Central America, more activity over the Eastern Pacific, but nothing organized. Here comes that big system here that's going to pound the western United States over in the northwestern areas and continue to cross country later on down the road. You can see we got a swirling area, low pressure up here along the Great Lakes region. We'll continue to slowly push off to the east and drag a cold front to the Carolinas. Breezy conditions tonight and on your Thursday, then kind of relaxing a little bit on Friday, but still a little windy Friday as well. Got another little swirl over the northern tropical Atlantic, but nothing organized, and you can see got a few little clusters out in the central tropical Atlantic, but nothing to write home about. So right now everything looks good in the tropics. And this will show you over the next 7 days here in the tropics. Tropical cyclone development is not expected during the next 7 days, so we're not expecting any tropical activity in the tropics. Alright, so let's move on to the current watches warning advisory map. We do have some winter storm stuff to talk about. As you can see, we got winter storm watches, winter weather advisories, and winter storm warnings for New York State, down to Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Eastern Kentucky, Western Virginia, the mountains of North Carolina. Freeze watches have been posted for Central North Carolina. Wind advisories also stretching from up here around New Jersey, Delaware, Pennsylvania, Maryland area to Pennsylvania, New York State. Also down into Western North Carolina. Lake wind advisory with South Carolina and Georgia. Special weather statements up here in Virginia as well. Alright, we got special weather statements also in Texas, and again up in portion of Minnesota and Wisconsin region as well, and also into areas of northern Michigan, Indiana, and also Illinois. Winter weather advisory for portion of eastern areas of Wisconsin. Same over in portion of South Dakota. Also we have a extreme fire danger for portions of South Dakota. Then here's that winter storm out in the west. You can see we got winter weather advisory, winter storm warnings, high wind warning, wind advisory stretching from Montana to Oregon, Washington State, Idaho, and down into California. Red flag warnings over here in Nevada and portion of California as well. Alright, we got small craft advisory, gale warning stretching all the way from up here near Maine, all the way down to the Florida Keys, all the way back to southeast Texas. Then again from Southern California all the way to Washington State. Still have some high hurricane force winds also expected in a few areas up here west of Washington State. Storm warnings further in the coastal waters out in the Pacific Ocean. Alright, the Hawaiian Chain Island looks good. Around Alaska here we got some small craft advisory, gale warning, freezing spray warnings, small craft advisories. Also we have winter storm warning, winter weather advisory, blizzard warning, wind advisories, and special weather statements issued for you guys in Alaska. Alright, on to the Storm Prediction Center outlooks, and everything looks all clear. As you can see, just got a little bit of general thunderstorms on day 1. That was today. Tomorrow, just a little bit across maybe around New Jersey, Delaware area. Nothing for day 3, and even nothing for day 4 through 8. Alright, now let's take a look at the GFS computer model. This is over the next 16 days. Snowfall totals. You can see heavy snowfall totals over the northeastern United States, stretching down to Pennsylvania. western North Carolina, northern Georgia, all the way into where the mountains of North Georgia that is. Also in the portion of Michigan, over to much of the middle portion of the United States, from Wisconsin, also over toward Minnesota, down toward Missouri, back over toward the Dakotas, and also more out west there as well, over towards Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, Montana, Colorado, Wyoming, Utah, Nevada, and California regions as well, and also across much of Canada also. So get ready for a good snowstorm in some areas of the northern portion of the United States, but southern areas will remain warm and snow free at this time. So alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing one more time, and enjoy your Wednesday evening, folks. Take care, and we'll catch you back in the next video. So have a wonderful Wednesday evening. Also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.